Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be making DIY stickers and washi tapes. These DIYs involve only the things that you have at home. They are very easy to make, so let's get started. So first, let's make some stickers. First, you will need baking paper, or you can use a paper and oil it. Then you will need sellotape, and you can use any printout or draw on your own and use it as stickers. So first, let's cut them. Then take your baking paper and stick some sellotape to it. Then place your cutout printouts and drawings in the center and cover them again by sellotape. Then cut the stickers, leaving some space around its boundary. Here is the result. Now let's make some washi tapes. First, you'll need a design which you can draw by your markers or use printouts. Then you will need baking paper, sellotape, and a ring that I got from an old sellotape. Then stick some sellotape to the baking paper. Then cut your design. Then place your design on top of the baking paper and again cover it with a sellotape. Then you should cut the design out by leaving some space on its borders. You could also stick it around the ring and use it. This is the result. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe and ask doubts in the comments below. Thank you.